Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Ethereum from MetaMask to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, managing your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're switching wallets for better features or just organizing your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure both your MetaMask and Trust Wallet apps are updated to the latest versions for 2025. This ensures compatibility and security. Open your MetaMask wallet on your browser or mobile app. You'll see your Ethereum balance. Double-check that you have enough ETH to cover the transfer plus any gas fees. Next, head over to your Trust Wallet. Go to the Ethereum section, tap on Receive, and copy the wallet address. It's crucial to double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character. Now, back in MetaMask, click on the Send button. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the To field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, but remember to leave some for gas fees. Network congestion in 2025 might make these higher, so keep an eye on that. Select the appropriate network, like Ethereum Mainnet, and review the transaction details. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometric auth. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's done, typically within a few minutes, but it can vary based on network speed. And there you have it. Your Ethereum should now be safely in your Trust Wallet. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check your gas limits or try again during off-peak hours. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.